Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Sample understanding error code klausen. Content error code provided in Grand Theft Auto primarily indicates an issue with connecting to the Rockstar Games online services or authentication servers. This often occurs when attempting to launch the online sign into the Rockstar social club or access any online-dependent features within the game. It can stem from various causes, including temporary server outages on Rockstar's end, problems with your local internet connection or network configuration, or corrupted game files preventing proper communication with the game's online components. Recognizing this error as a connectivity or authentication failure is the first step towards an effective troubleshooting strategy. Step: check Rockstar server status. Content before attempting any local fixes. It is crucial to determine if the problem originates from Rockstar's side. Error code frequently appears when the Rockstar Games servers are experiencing outages, undergoing maintenance, or are simply overwhelmed. To check the server status, visit the official Rockstar Games server status page. Support Rockstar Games service status for their official Twitter accounts for updates. If the servers for the online or the social club are reported as limited or down, the issue is beyond your control, and the only solution is to wait for Rockstar to resolve the problem on their end.
Step: to troubleshoot your network connection. Content a stable and properly configured internet connection is vital for GTA Online. If Rockstar's servers are operational, the next step is to diagnose your local network. Begin by restarting your modem and router to refresh your network safe address and clear any temporary glitches. Ensure your internet connection is stable and has adequate bandwidth by performing a speed test. Consider flushing your DNS cache by opening command prompt as an administrator and typing up config flushes, then pressing enter. You might also try switching to public and servers like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS, and in your network adapter settings, as your ISP might be experiencing issues. Verify that your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking TIB or the Rockstar Games Launcher from accessing the internet. Step: verify game files and clear cache content. Corrupted or missing game files can lead to authentication failures and connectivity issues like error code. Most game launchers provide a function to verify the integrity of game files. For Steam, right-click to then your library, go to Properties, Local Files. Verify integrity of game files. For Epic Games Launcher, find to then your library, click the three dots and select Verify. If you're using the Rockstar Games Launcher, go to Settings, select tab under Installed Games and click Verify Integrity. Additionally, clearing the Rockstar Games Launcher cache can resolve issues. This typically involves navigating to user's username documents Rockstar Games Social Club and deleting the cache folder, or in some cases, temporary files related to the launcher located in program at Rockstar Games Launcher temp. Step: advanced solutions, then reinstallation content. If the previous steps do not resolve error code, consider more advanced solutions. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall to rule them out entirely, or ensure DTADV and the Rockstar Games Launcher are added as explicit exceptions. Some users have found success using a virtual private network to bypass potential routing issues. You may also investigate port forwarding for only specific ports on your router, though this is generally only necessary if a pump is disabled as a last resort. A complete reinstallation of Grand Theft Auto and the Rockstar Games Launcher can often fix deep-seated file corruption or installation problems that cannot be resolved through file verification. Ensure all residual game files and launcher data are removed before reinstalling.